2, 3, go.
Hello, my name is Phil Canalico and I am a licensed professional teacher.
Mr. Phil, have you experienced gender discrimination?
Sometimes I experience gender discrimination.
Can you tell me more about the story?
When it comes to the opportunity sometimes where they don't want to give me such opportunity because they are questioning my gender, because they tend to accept more strict or discreet guy rather than those who are just like me that sometimes at the feminine in them. But actually I'm a male straight guy, but they sometimes they see me as feminine. Though it's okay because it's on my way. I am a cosplayer and also an artist. That's why it's the reason. That's why they have a mistaken identity when it comes with my gender.
What's your advice to the people?
My advice is just still respect those people who are mistakenly identified with a different gender. Maybe they don't know you well, so just be respectful of them and also address. I'm sorry. You can try. Okay, so yun lang natin yun. Okay, so we need to address them in a respectful manner. Although there are some tough people who used to judge you so easily. So that's my only advice. Respect them even though you don't listen.
Thank you, Mr. Phil.